here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and hopefully our internet will hold up tonight. We're hoping so. I did get a new camera that came in today. It's supposed to hook up to the internet, so hopefully soon we won't have this issue when I get time to get all that hooked up and figured out and how to operate it. So welcome, and I hope that we stay live. So tonight we're gonna do a little project that can be used for every day, can be used for Christmas, can be used for any time. So it's a Dollar Tree, and you know they have these buckets. I haven't been in there in probably a week or so, and I didn't look for buckets the last time I was in there, but these I drilled a hole in, tied a knot in my twine, and put a bell on there. And then I've got my twine running from one side to the other, and look how cute. Aren't those cute? Just out of the Dollar Tree, little buckets. And I think this is Dollar Tree ribbon. It's burlap with a little lace. Aren't those cute? So, with the buckets, get you some when you see them, because for $2, well, you have to $3, $4, less than $5, you have a set of bells. You can hang them on the door. You can hang them on fireplace. You can put them anywhere. They're so cute. So for less than $5, you can have a set of bells. All right, now this is the short buckets, and we're gonna do something else with them. And then I gotta show y'all something else from Dollar Tree that I got that you can use. I got the one that's not open. Hang on, y'all. I got something else that you can use either all year long, or you can use it for Christmas. So we got two different things tonight, and it's not a fake bake. Let's see here. Now these, you could do any color that you wanted to, and I have one already finished, and it's brown. Now, I kind of like the farmhouse look. I like a lot of different looks. I like the farmhouse. I like French country. I like the shabby chic, but you know, we can't say we're doing shabby chic because they got that trademarked. Yeah, so just FYI, y'all. So far so good. I'm staying live. I'm so happy. And y'all, I'm gonna love my new camera when I get it set up. It came in the mail, and I was panicking because I didn't see it. And usually my husband put my packages in my craft area. I looked in the craft area, looked outside when I got home today, it wasn't nowhere. So I almost panicked. But he just made it to the back door of the house when he got there, so. Okay, now with this, you could take off this twine if you wanted to and do less rope around there if you wanted it, that twine. I'm just painting a little bit of the edge. I've been trying to hurry and talk because in case my internet went out, y'all. But it looks like, I'm hoping, praying that it just stays. It's good. After that Hurricane Ida, it just left us where the internet just did not want to stay connected for me. And so last week, we didn't have much of a live. So I apologize for that. So I've got some on the very edge, and then I got some there. Now, y'all seen the bells. I'm gonna put this back where y'all can see them. In case y'all wanna screenshot them so y'all can make them. Y'all can do that. And now, what I'm gonna do with this is make a mess. All right, let me move that out of the way so y'all can see what I'm doing. And I got one more project after this one that I'm gonna show y'all. And it's actually a Christmas item, but you can use it for all year. So, I was trying to see if I could read comments. It doesn't show me all the comments, y'all, until I get off. And this is just a little cake pan. And I'm using some chalk paint. And I'm not covering everything, y'all, because I want it to look kind of like the farmhouse. I like the creams and the beiges and the browns, kind of the earth tones. So y'all see how quick this project is? We're almost done. So I hope everyone had a great Labor Day. I had a wonderful Labor Day. My children came to see me. We had some good food. We had some jambalaya with some shrimp and chicken and Cajun sausage and all that good stuff in it. We had some chicken spaghetti. So we had a good time. Had some peach cobbler that my mother brought. We had some pumpkin spice cookies. It was pretty good. And some, all that fattening stuff, you know. Okay. Now this is going to be a quick one. Anybody can make these. And you can use them all year. Now, we're going to, y'all probably know what I'm going to do. We're going to flip this upside down. This needs to dry a few minutes, but I'm going to take some E6000. So when y'all go to the Dollar Tree, make sure you get some of these little tin pots or buckets. Because you can make bells, you can make what we're making. Now let me see if I've got it anywhere near center. I think I do. Okay. Now, if you went to a boutique, a a specialty store. Like if you went to Joanna Gaines and went to the Magnolia in Texas, then you would probably pay $30, $40 for that. When you can make it at from the Dollar Tree for $2. Now, I made this one before I jumped on. And literally, just before I jumped on. And it's already dry. But look how cute. And I know y'all can't see because of the bright lights, but these little candles, they've got the little wick that it dangles. And so they have a remote. You can set the remote for 2, 4, 6, 8 hours, and then it'll go off and come back on at the same time the next day. But look, isn't that pretty? And it's got I put the glittered holly in there. But you can take this out, decorate it for fall, and I mean, you can change it out with seasons. Just out of a cake pan and a bucket. So, this is number 1 that we made. Now, number 2, you can make the bells out of the buckets. Oh, I can't see what this is. Bird feeder, yes. There's my friend Diane, a bird feeder, that's right. Now, something else. Now, last week, our Dollar Tree did not have Christmas out yet. And if y'all notice, Walmart still has not put out any Christmas. They haven't even put out Halloween. So, supplies are getting scarce. We've been knowing that this was coming because most of these supplies come from China. So, anyway, when y'all see them and you want something, you better grab it. But they have these at the Dollar Tree. Now, I have an odd number. Why I didn't buy an even number last year, I don't know. But anyway, this was from last year. So, you can use this for every day, and you can use this for Christmas. I have made this one for every day. See, it's got the buffalo plaid and the burlap and the ticking stripe. So, I like this one. Hey, Miss Dawn, how are you? I like this one because I could use it for my 4th of July. You know, all my patriotic holidays, Labor Day, Memorial Day, Veterans Day, you know, all that. You can hang these. All you got to do is either add a little red to that, and voila, it's Christmas bells. Or you could take this bow off and put a Christmas bow on it. But, so, all I did was take this off and glued 2 bells together, and then I just wrapped my twine around it. I left the bottom where the little bell is. I left that and just painted it white. You could paint it red, whatever. Because even red would be for, you know, patriotic. And it's a little heavy dude now because it's got all that twine on the front and the back. So when y'all see these at the Dollar Tree this year, or dollar stores, if you don't have a Dollar Tree, a dollar store would probably have those sprinkled. Thank you, Miss Dawn. I appreciate that so very much. You're so sweet. So pick you up some bells, and you can use this for year-round. And then you can make these out of the buckets and the cake pan. And see, that's already sealing, because these would be pretty in the white also. And see that, see how pretty that is? I just love it. I love it. And you had the fall, I didn't bring any fall leaves over here. change it up and do the fall. I mean, they're going to be so pretty. And they're $2 plus your chalk paint. That's what I was thinking of. I just used the Waverly chalk paint. So, get you some buckets, do you some bales, get you some more buckets and some cake pans, and make you some candle holders. You could even use it for bird bath. You could use it for put your fake bakes in. My children had fun trying to, you know, see if they were real or not. So that was fun. So that's what I have for tonight. I just wanted to jump on here. I wanted to do something quick. That's so pretty. Thank you, Patricia. How are you? I didn't want a long live tonight because I was scared that I was not gonna stay live. So now that I know that my internet's working halfway decent again, we'll be doing some longer crafts now. So definitely going to, it just went by. Also, I'll have to read that when I get off. Love all of these. Oh, thank you, Miss Delaney. How are you, my sweet friend? But, well, I hope y'all have a wonderful week. And I will see y'all Friday night at 8 o'clock Central Standard Time. Okay? Y'all have a great night. Remember, I love you all. And until next time, y'all get to crafting, make something pretty, go to the Dollar Tree or a dollar store. Even if you had a solid bucket, get you some twine and wrap it around the base. You could even wrap a little twine around here if you wanted to. Possibilities are just endless. So, thank y'all, and I hope to see y'all Friday night. I'll go back and read the comments and see what all y'all are saying. Thank y'all. Good night, y'all.